Introducing Change and Planning in a Service course and Teaching in Curriculum Design presented by Emily Ortega. Two aspects of the curriculum change. In curriculum change, this involves two aspects that must be managed. The first is the actual change in the curriculum, such as a new course book, teaching methods, or the assessment system. The second is the change that must occur in the minds of the people affected, especially teachers and learners. Even if a new curriculum is introduced, it may fail if the teacher and the students do not accept or adapt to it. So, successful curriculum change therefore requires both practical changes and change in attitudes and belief. The Goldilocks syndrome. So, this refers to the idea that curriculum change should be of a medium size. If the change is too small, people may not see it as a real innovation or maybe may not support it. So, if it's too large, people may feel overwhelmed and resisted. So, according to the Stoller, successful change should be just right, noticeable and meaningful, but not so difficult that teachers and learners cannot manage it. Kennedy's three strategies for change. So the three strategies are major strategies for introducing change. So the first is the power coercive strategy where change is supported through authority, rules, and official policies. The second is the rational empirical strategy where people are persuaded through explanations and evidence showing why the change is beneficial. The third is the normative re-educative strategy where change happens through discussions, participation, and negotiation. Kennedy argues that the most successful change combine all the three strategies. Goals of an effective in service workshop. So, an effective in service workshop can have five general goals. First, helping participants understand and remember new ideas. The second is allowing them to experience and evaluate activities. The third one is helping them to produce teaching materials or exercises. Fourth is helping them plan lessons or units of work. And finally, helping them solve teaching problems. Together, these goals improve the teacher's knowledge and the classroom performance. The importance of teachers' belief. So, on this part, the teachers' beliefs are very important because what teachers believe strongly influence how they teach. Research shows that the teachers have complex mental systems called teacher cognition, which includes their experiences, knowledge, and beliefs. When the new curriculum change are introduced, teachers may accept or reject them based on these beliefs. Therefore, successful change requires understanding teachers' existing beliefs and also helping them develop new perspective through professional development. Effective problem solving activities. So, the problem solving activities are most effective when they focus on real classroom situations. Workshops can use case studies, role plays, lesson transcripts, videos, or teacher experiences as input. The participants can brainstorm ideas, rank solutions, evaluate alternatives, and work together to find practical answers. This process encourages reflection and helps the teacher apply workshops idea directly to their own classroom. Curriculum design in everyday teaching. So, in the curriculum design is a part of everyday teaching decisions. The teachers constantly decide what to teach, how to teach it, and how to assess learning. These decisions involve environment analysis, need analysis, teaching principles, goal setting, and also assessment. So, even a single classroom activity requires curriculum design thinking. This shows that the curriculum design is not only for the specialists, but is also an important part of everyday teachers' daily work. Thank you so much for the attention.